Hello everybody, and welcome to CanvasPrints.com tutorial on how to create a collage. Creating a collage with CanvasPrints.com is very easy, so let's go ahead and walk through it. So first, let's go to CanvasPrints.com, then let's smash that big pink button that says Get Started. Then next, we need to choose the orientation, either landscape, portrait, or square. So given that it's going to be a collage, I'm going to go ahead and choose portrait, which portrait is, of course, the tallest orientation, where landscape is the widest and square is, well, a square. You can also click on View All Sizes to see every size that we have to offer on one page. So let's click Portrait. So let's look at the various sizes and prices. So let's go ahead and select a 20 by 16. As you can see, that'll look pretty good above my TV stand. Alright, so let's click it. Now select Upload your image. Let the tool load. And here is my canvas. Let's click Add Image. I'm going to upload my images from my computer. So I'm going to click Upload your photo or art. I've already got a bunch of different images loaded in here, but I'm going to upload a new image here. And I know I want to make a collage for my bakery shop. So I like this picture, so let's go ahead and upload this one. You can see it uploading right here. Almost done uploading. It's kind of a big picture. And there it is at the very end. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and I'm going to move it maybe over here. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Alright, so then I'm going to add another image. Let's see here. I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm going to go ahead and view it by large icon so I can see the different types of photos. I kind of want a long photo here, or a tall photo. So select this, you can see it uploading, and it's going to show up at the bottom. More than likely, if this is your first time ordering, you're not going to have any images in here. So it'll just show up, but they always show up at the bottom after uploading. And there we go. So on this one, I might do maybe kind of a bigger one using the red arrows. There we go, and of course I want some like white space in between here. Now if you wanted a different color border, you can just upload a photo. Say you can open up Microsoft Paint or just in any other program, and you can just drop in a background photo here. That'll just basically you can put other photos so you have a black line instead of a white line. So I can click Add an Image. And let's see. Maybe I'll pick an image I've already put in here. Put one of baking here. This one's going to have to be a mighty small one. Alright. And just for demonstration purposes, let's go ahead and select another random picture here. Of course, if you're building a collage, you probably already have an idea of how you want it to all look. I'm going to make the lines a little bit smaller here. Then I'm going to put one more picture right here. And maybe I need to have that, so like a square picture would work pretty good. So I think I'm going to put in these cookies. Then enlarge it a little bit, about right here, and simply move it around. And there's my collage. Now I can zoom in a little bit here to make sure I got my pictures lined up, because I don't want them to be like not lined up. It looks pretty good. Oop. Yep, that would have been bad, so I'm glad I looked at that. So, perfect. So basically you can create any collage that you'd like with multiple photos. And then when you're done, you just simply click Preview and Check Out. and it will add all those pictures together, and it will give us a preview of what the finished product will look like. And there it is. So that's what it'll look like. And then when I'm ready to purchase, I simply click Add to Cart. Thank you for watching the tutorial to how to create a collage on CanvasPrints.com.